Hello, people. What better setting than these idyllic, serene backwaters of Kerala to let your creative. Can you tell us what is it that you're doing today?
Yes, hello guys. First of all, happy Diwali. Today is the first day of Diwali, Dhanteras. So I thought let's start with Pen Mandala. Basically, Pen Mandala is Indian ancient art form which we use for meditation or concentration. So this is my today's assignment.
Oh, does it say happy?
We at Pencraft promote Indian ancient art forms as well as international art forms also. So Pen Mandala is one of them, which you can use as a stress buster. Even corporates can do workshops for their teams. Learning any art form with a proper trained person is extremely important. Then you can always enjoy your passion or that specific art form if you have a perfect guru with you. So at Pencraft we have more than 1000 teachers available for all these art forms who are certified from Pencraft, and they have expertise in n number of art forms like pen mandala, dot mandala, Chinese one stroke painting, Madhubani painting, Warli art, Gond art. And apart from that, if you are interested in doing workshops for decoupage or fluid art or resin art or image transfer, so we have workshop pros also with us who can guide you to learn new art forms or to learn new workshops in this field. We have Pencraft teachers at a number of places, but if you are not able to attend the physical workshops or proper trainings, then we have online courses also with us which you can attend from your home. Right now we are having online courses for pen mandala, dot mandala, calligraphy, and even Madhubani. Yes, even Madhubani painting. Even now we have come up with DIY kits. So if you want to try these art forms, if you want to do small projects like on tote bag or on jewelry box or mobile covers, so you can always visit our website www.pencraft.in, and there you can find our DIY kits.
So, if you are really confident that you can learn these art forms just by watching a small little clip, and you are probably not do not have too much of patience to undergo a full-fledged 30 hours class. So, there are these Pencraft clips which are available on the Pencraft YouTube channel. You can watch these clips, order the kits from the Pencraft website where you get all the material under one roof, all the material that you need for undergoing a particular art form, indulging in your passion, all that you can find at one place. Order it online, receive it at the comfort of your home, and practice your passion.
So true, Ravi. As you all can see, these textures are extremely tiny or intricate, so you need lots of patience and concentration for doing pen mandala.
So these intricate patterns that require so much of time and patience would probably help people build up a little bit of serenity in their otherwise busy lives.
Yes, true.
Oh yes.
True. Even kids can try this kind of small mandalas. They can make cards out of it.
Alright people, as Pallavi has finished the first two alphabets of what she is intending to write as Happy Diwali, we now fade out and we would come back to you with the photographs of the final product. So it's bye bye from us here at Club Mahindra Cherai Beach.
Bye and
Thank you.
happy Diwali.